Namaste India. I am CA Pranav Goyal and today we are discussing a key reform under the Income Tax Bill 2025 that affects the electronic sector and foreign service providers. The newly inserted clause 61 of the bill replaces section 44 BBD of the old act, and it introduces a presumptive taxation regime for non-residents offering technology or services to India's electronics manufacturing sector. Here's what it means. If a foreign company provides technical services or technology support to assist in setting up an electronics manufacturing unit in India, and the project is approved under a central government scheme, then 25% of the total consideration received will be deemed as income and taxed accordingly, without the need to maintain detailed books of accounts in India. This move brings simplicity, tax certainty, and ease of compliance for non residents, while encouraging technology inflow and supporting the Make in India vision. This is the Income Tax Bill, and I'm CA Pranav Goyal, here to make tax laws easy to understand and even easier to comply with. Jai Hind.